Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The OM-4740 New O.M.R.A pasta press is an ideal device for producing fresh pasta. Equipped with a 370W electric motor, the machine can reach a speed of 1,400 revolutions per minute thanks to its 4-pole motor. This ensures high efficiency in pasta processing, allowing for continuous production with minimal effort. The robust structure and components, such as the brass auger, ensure long-lasting durability and consistent dough processing. The machine comes with 2 brass dies, enabling the production of various pasta shapes with an artisanal quality, maintaining the ideal porosity for holding sauces. The OM-4740 stands out for its ease of use and maintenance. Cleaning is simplified thanks to its easily disassembled structure, while the materials used, such as the brass dies and auger, are perfect for ensuring safe and hygienic processing. It is ideal for those seeking an efficient and durable solution for homemade pasta preparation. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.